On this video I'll show you how I made $166 playing a free game and just running a bit of software. Let's jump straight in. Okay, so first of all let's show you the free game I'm playing. This is what's called a play to earn. It's combining blockchain technology with crypto and NFTs. So I'm going to view my challenge for the day. And it says place your NFTs on your town, complete your daily challenge in order to start earning town coin. I'm going to show you what town coin is worth in a moment, but I'm going to show you first of all how to win this challenge. So here's my daily challenge: earn 1,000 stars to earn 188 town coins. So let's go and do that. Now here is my town. I've already built it up, and basically I've got a farm here and I am farming grapes. Let me go and sell some of these grapes before we lose all those other ones that can't go into the storage. So I've got my trucks up here ready to sell the grapes to the nearby towns. So let's go and get those on their way, and that will start to generate for me some cash in this game. This is play cash. So you can see at the moment I'm only got $486 in my account here, but here we go. Let's now cash that. Laurie's just come back, so that's $24,000 there. But you'll see on the challenge I've just received 200 coins, 200 stars, sorry, in the daily challenge already. Now this is taking quite a while to build up to this sort of level in the game, but I'm going to show you now just how quick this is to get my 188 town coins. Because let's just go and cash this one. Let's go and send another lorry some more grapes that I've got in storage in my silos, and as soon as this challenge is completed where I've received 1,000 stars, then I'll receive 188 town coin for the day. Now these have real monetary value. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Then I'll show you how I make even more money every day just with this game and with Gala Games in general, that are a gaming platform that have lots of games in development, but also games that from other game companies. It's not just what they develop as a gaming company, it's also the other games. Now I think when we cash this one in, that may get us, yep, we've completed the challenge. So let's look at this. You've earned 188 town coin, collect rewards. It was as simple as that. So in less than 3 minutes there, I've made 188 town coin. So what can I do with town coin? By the way, if you want to play this game, it's a free to play. To earn actual town coin at the moment, you would need to place an NFT in the game. Go to townstar.co.uk. You can play this game. It really is a fun, addictive little game. You build your own farm. You can choose what crops you want to produce and farm, and it really is a great fun game to play. Now I've earned 188 town coin. What's that worth? I'm showing you the back of my Gala Games account here, and for yesterday's daily distribution of Gala coin, you can see I received 1,602. That is because I have 3 nodes online and have a few referrals where they're running nodes as well. What is a node? A node is simply a piece of software. Let's just bring up the node here. So I've purchased a node. I run this on my computer and 2 other computers, 2 virtual computers, and as long as you run this for more than 6 hours a day, so at the moment I've run this for the last 7 hours 14 minutes, I've received 100% of my goal. I've received that target. So that means Gala Games are giving me extra Gala coins every day for running my games node. What does this node do? This provides or shares part of my computing power with the network, so it allows Gala Games to run all their games on the blockchain and just share part of my computing power. So effectively renting part of my computer, which I noticed no difference whatsoever on the speed of my computer, but this gives some computing power. If we just have a look at the network power, you can see here total network power in storage. What's that? 2.2 billion megabytes of storage. Processor speed 23,000 gigahertz. RAM 78 million megabytes. So it is a huge network of all the different computers linking in together, running their nodes. So for that, I received 1,602 Gala coin yesterday. What is a Gala coin worth? If we go to coinmarketcap.com, we can see the current value on Gala coin is 8.6 cents. We can also, if we go to Uniswap, we can see that 1 town coin is equal to 1.7359 Gala coin. That means in total, if you crunch the numbers, just in the last 24 hours plus today's just 2.5 minutes there, I earned $28 worth of town coin plus $138 worth of Gala coin running the daily nodes. That's a total of 166 Gala coin. If you'd like to know more about running a node, go to gogala.co.uk. You can sign up there for free, then you click on Get Gala and it will tell you how you can get Gala, own and operate a node. Click on the details there, follow through. If you'd like more information on how to make money with Gala, with crypto, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. Any comments, please let me know any questions you've got. Thanks for watching, catch you on the next video.